Hey, this is Ross Ballwell with Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. We do all sorts of remodeling, repairs, inside, outside remodeling, just pretty much the whole thing. Hey, this is Ross Ballwell with Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. Today we are working on a window. We have the wall here we're going to cut a window into. Here's the window. We have to cut the studs out and put 2x4s in at the right size for the frame, and then we'll put the window in.
Now this wood here we are working on right now is termite infested, right?
Yeah, there's some termites in that wood. This one will get cut out, so we'll be in good shape there. That's the worst one. Right. Yeah, it's going to be level and square.
And the tools that we're using, what kind of tools we're using, the DeWalt Sawzall, definitely.
Gotta be DeWalt driver. We use the 3-inch screws. I get them from Sinking Creek Lumber.
Awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, pretty soon there will be a hole in this wall, and we will be putting the window there. So, stay tuned. And she's out, ladies and gentlemen. So, as you can tell, I'm going to have to pull the joist out. Pull the studs out to make that window. So, we'll show you when we get to the next step.
So, we got the studs marked at the window. The bottom of the window, the top has already been cut. And I'll cut the bottom here low enough to put a 2x4 on top of that, screw it in tight. And we're going to go ahead and cut that out. And see, I'm going to cut this off rather than taking the whole thing off. It saves some material and time. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Cut the studs out, top and bottom. Now it's time to put the header and the sill in. And then we need a stud on this side and a couple jacks on each side. So that's the next step. We screw it in. We've got these good Saber drive screws. They are the best. They have a sharp point. They're easy to start. And the DeWalt driver, that's the best. I'll show you how we put one in. How's that?
That sounds good.
Protect my ears here. There we go. Done with the framing here. We got the 2x4s put in, the sill, the header, the sides. It's all framed, ready to cut the plywood out, and then we can put the window in.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's step 4, Ross's Carpentry, INC.
Yep.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned.
The wood out for the window with the DeWalt Sawzall. It's actually a reciprocating saw. Here we go.
Gotta use that bench, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Too short.
Too short. Where'd you get that?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. You like it so far?
Yeah, I do.
And
that's how you put a hole in the wall. We did good. I need to just square up my corners and we'll be ready to put the window in. And we got the window in. Here it is. It's so you couldn't even see the window. Just close it. There, that's better.